Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Doveleys Road in Salford M6 to show you this prestigious 4-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got beautifully maintained gardens to the front, the driveway to the side providing plenty of off-road parking. Let's take a look inside. So as we go into the property, we go into a porch. It leads on through to this grand welcoming entrance hallway. The owners have indicated this is an original staircase, which is a lovely feature. On your right, you open up to the spacious kitchen diner. This leads straight on through to a small utility space and then through to the garden at the rear. Again, the garden at the rear is beautifully maintained with mature plants, shrubbery, with paving and later lawn grass as well. As you can see, it benefits from the sun. Properties in this area are popular, just they're close, it links to local schooling, several well-kept parks. Mule Hill Park, for instance, is just around the corner. And also the properties within easy access of Salford Rural Hospital too. As we head back through to the hall, towards the front of the property, we've got this bay-fronted dining room. And then we have a large family lounge. As we head upstairs, through this beautiful staircase, from the landing, you'll find 4 double bedrooms. 1 bedroom towards the rear. Then we've got a generous 4-piece family bathroom. Another double bedroom just through here. An additional double bedroom. Then we've got the main bedroom just through here. Benefiting from that bay window, and an ensuite shower room as well. This property would be ideal for someone who's looking to put their own stamp on a property and make it their own. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.